rise unto the mountains high, from whence my help and succor shall draw nigh. My help comes from the Lord, the Mighty One, who made the earth and heavens, moon and sun. In this my pilgrimage in time of grief, in God alone I find my true relief. He shall not suffer thy foot to be moved. He watches thee, his love is fully proved. The sun shall not smite thee by light of day, nor moon by night shall harm thee on thy way. Secure thou art in God's own mighty hand, who sent his help from heaven's holy land. The Lord shall keep thee from all evil power, preserve thy soul in every trying hour. Thy going out and coming in shall be blessed by the Savior for eternity. From this time forth and evermore the same, trust thy life to the great Almighty's name. Behold, he sleeps not, God of Israel, he slumbers not, he keeps his people well. The shade at thy right hand, kept by the Creator, thou shalt stand. Unwelled is the shade at thy right hand, kept by